Hey, we are in Hampton Lakes today. This is in Alva, Florida. We are in front of a Cedar model spec home by Pulte. They were asking over $380, $382 roughly. I can get it for a lot less. Stay to the end, I'll tell you how much. So we've got landscaping and pavers. Love that. I'm liking this color scheme that they chose as well. Now, Pulte is a semi-custom home builder, but this is a inventory home, so everything's already picked out for you. They have tile throughout, except for the bedrooms are carpeted. And up here you've got two guest bedrooms and a guest bath here with the tub shower combo and the tile. And then a nice, oh, I keep thinking this is a linen closet and it's always the mechanics. Okay, here we go. Now this here is a coat closet. We've got garage here and laundry there. 2-stall garage. Okay, back of the house opens up, so you're partying back. Here's your good sized living room here. Dining, kitchen, obviously. We've got under cabinet seating here. We've got quartz counters. We've got Whirlpool appliances. Really like this, really like this. We've got 42-inch white cabs, a little crown up there, the subway tile in back, and you know I love a corner pantry. Yes. Okay, so great kitchen. Oh, and the bank of drawers. I love that. Did they do soft close? Soft close. Hallelujah. All right, owner's suite. We've got king-size bed, room for a king-size bed. We have glass enclosure shower here. We've got the double vanity here, again with the bank of drawers, so I love that. And then good size closet. This is awesome. Again, I would take this stuff out because you can do so much more with like a custom closet situation, and I just always really think that in a owner's suite, it makes perfect sense to do that. Okay, like I said, if you stay to the end of the video, I'll let you know what I can get it for. You guys, I can get this place. They were asking like $382. I can get it for less than $340. I don't even want to tell you. I can get it less than $340. It'll be that. So they want to move this one. We've got a nice view of the pond out here. Super green grass, palm trees. If you want to come live in paradise, this is the community for you. You can do fences in here if you've got puppies. You do have room to put a pool in if you wanted to. Low HOAs. They do have a gorgeous community center. We're going to go over and take video of that as well. So follow, wait for that video update too. But they've got pool, fitness center, workout, restaurant over there. Really nice maintained community. It's Lennar Homes and Pulte in here together. This is Pulte. Go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, follow me, and put a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think of the place.